Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is the 4th day of DEBTMAS. If you are unsure of what DEBTMAS is, be sure to click the link in the cards and it'll tell you all about it. As you can see from the title of the video, I'm going to be making a DIY face mask utilizing sea moss. Sea moss contains over 94 minerals and has tons of benefits for your skin. So before I get into that, I'm going to show you guys how I prepared my sea moss mask. I just came back from the store. I purchased the 2-ounce bag of sea moss. It was only $1.59. It may seem like a little bit, but this will go a very, very long way. I'm gonna show you guys how to prepare this. So the store that I went to had 3 different sizes for the sea moss: a 2-ounce bag, an 8-ounce bag, and a 2-pound bag. I'll insert a clip to show you guys the different sizes. So since I'm minimizing my expenses of this week and I was only buying the sea moss for the purposes of this video, I bought the 2-ounce bag. This is the 8-ounce bag. It is $3.89. So this is the 2-pound bag. It is $12.99. This is the 2-ounce bag. This is the one I'm gonna get because it's $1.59 and I don't need a lot for the mask. So this is the sea moss. As you can see, it has sand all over it, obviously because it is from the sea. So you don't want this in your face mask, so we're gonna rinse it off. Also, I'm gonna use the remainder of this for a smoothie just because this is a lot of sea moss and a little goes a long way. This is about half of the bag, so, and this will last me a good amount of masks. So I'm gonna rinse it now. So I'm gonna fill this container with fresh cold water. I don't think it matters either way, but now that I have it in the container with fresh water, I'm going to just cover it and let it sit for 24 hours and I'll be back. This is what the sea moss looks like after it's blended. So before you put on the sea moss mask, you want to be sure to prep your skin. I'm going to be utilizing the Dr. Bronner's Pure Castile soap. I utilize this on my face and my entire body. It's very gentle, so I like to use it. I'm also going to be utilizing the St. Ives Blackhead Clearing Green Tea Scrub. I struggle with blackheads, so that works wonders. So I'm going to prep my skin and be right back. I'm back. I just finished washing and exfoliating my skin. It feels super smooth, but I'm going to go and start putting on my mask. So the great thing that I love about sea moss is that the minerals in the sea moss helps protect your skin from the outside elements. So, you know, just the natural day-to-day grime that you experience, it really helps out. Sea moss also helps soothe skin conditions like dermatitis, eczema, psoriasis. So like I said in my last video, I suffer from dry skin in the winter months. So this is really, really helpful. Sea moss also helps with reducing wrinkles. And I'm trying to look like Pharrell when I'm 47. He looks like he's 23. I personally don't suffer from this, but it also helps eliminate acne for some people. I don't know how true that is, but I mean, that's amazing. This sea moss mask is going to pull out the toxins from my skin and replace it with minerals. So I'm looking forward to all of these results, guys. Sea moss is starting to be used in a lot of beauty products, and a lot of people are utilizing it in their shakes and different things. So don't buy products that say, oh, this includes sea moss. Just use the real thing, because what you're going to be buying is going to be watered down and very, very expensive. So you're getting the real thing for $1.59. You literally cannot beat it. But the main reason why I use these sea moss masks is because I have very, very dry skin, and it can be super embarrassing if I'm in public and people are just looking at my peeling skin. So this is really, really helpful because the minerals literally plump your skin up. I can literally put something on my face and 2 seconds later my skin is dry. You probably noticed as I was applying the mask, I didn't miss my neck. It's really important to also take care of your neck as much as the skin on your face. When you're looking at someone, you see their neck and it sometimes tells their age. So definitely remember your neck, guys. So I'm gonna come back in 15 minutes after it dries and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. So this is what it looks like when it's dry. It reminds me of one of those like peel off masks, but this isn't something that you can peel off. It's so tight. Alright, let me go wash it off. Hey guys, I just wanted to pop back on. I just finished washing off my sea moss mask and my skin feels amazing. When I was washing off the sea moss, I barely had any residue on my washcloth, which makes me feel like all of the things that they're saying about the minerals going into your skin is absolutely true. Because if it was something that was just sitting on your skin, I feel like obviously it would all come off on the washcloth, and it didn't. So yeah, that was really good to see. Really excited to see what my results are like if I do this every single week. Comment down below if you want to see an update. I'm gonna go finish the rest of my skincare routine. I'm so happy that you guys joined me for another video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!